Welcome to Infogain TV. Question number 1. What is the national anthem of India? Answer: Jana Gana Mana. Question number 2. What is the national flag of India? Answer: Tiranga or Tricolor. Question number 3. What is the national motto of India? Answer: Satyameva Jayate. Question number 4. What is the national flower of India? Answer: lotus. Question number 5. What is the national fruit of India? Answer: mango. Question number 6. What is the national vegetable of India? Answer: pumpkin. Question number 7. What is the national tree of India? Answer: Indian banana. Question number 8. What is the national emblem of India? Answer: lion, capital of Ashoka. Question number 9. What is the national song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. Question number 10. What is the national library of India? Answer: National Library of India, Kolkata. Question number 11. What is the National Museum of India? Answer: National Museum, New Delhi. Question number 12. What is the national language of India? Answer: Hindi and English. Question number 13. What is the national festival of India? Answer: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Question number 14. What is the national river of India? Answer: Ganges. Question number 15. What is the national animal of India? Answer: Royal Bengal tiger. Question number 16. What is the national bird of India? Answer: Indian peacock. Question number 17. What is the national heritage animal of India? Answer: elephant. Question number 18. What is the national reptile of India? Answer: king cobra. Question number 19. What is the national calendar of India? Answer: Saka calendar. Question number 20. What is the national currency of India? Answer: Indian rupees. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.